Welcome back guys to this brand new video. Today I'm going to explain to you guys how to change the sky in Photoshop 2021. Photoshop updated their app and it made it really easy to change the sky in a photo. The only thing you have to do, my Photoshop is Dutch, so don't mind all the words you probably won't know, but I'm just going to show you where it is and it will be in the same place on your Photoshop. What we're going to do is go to edit, this button right here, and go to sky replacement. We click it and we just wait. We have this little page here with your sky replacement. In this page you can change any sky you want. If you want this sky, we click on this sky and bam, this will be the sky of the picture. And you can even add your own photo of your air that you want with this little button right here. If you click on this, you will go into your files of your computer. You can add any sky you want. And if you have add your sky, you can just go to this here. You can add the temperature. You can make it like look more cold or look more warm. If you just click OK, it will be here and it will stand here. All your air will stand here and you can put like the air off if you want, and then it will just be like this. Really easy. So this was it for this video. Again, if you have any other questions about Adobe Photoshop, just leave it behind in the comments and I'll answer it for you in another tutorial. Like and subscribe, click the notification bell to never miss a video again, and thanks for watching guys. See you later.